So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, you open the app, tap the gallery button, but the thumbnails are just gray boxes. Or you select a photo but it just stays on a blank screen. The app works but the pictures won't show up. So usually this is a permissions issue. Either FaceApp doesn't have the right to read your storage, or you are trying to load a file type that the app doesn't support. So, fast and easy as usual, let's go through how to fix photos not loading in FaceApp. First and first, we want to check the permissions as you see here. Allow access to your photos will feature and display suitable photos that can be edited with FaceApp, are not sent to our cloud, and are only used for editing in the app. So on iPhone, go to settings or just tap allow access from here. FaceApp photos, then change the settings to read and write. It must be full access, not selected photos. On Android, we can tap allow access or just go through the app here, long press it, tap on info, then tap on permissions, files and media, then allow the permission. Then check the file format. FaceApp primarily works with standard JPEG and PNG files. If you are trying to load, for example, an HEAC file or the iPhone C4 format or WebP file, the app might just show a blank screen. So try your best to convert it to the usual or the standard JPEG before uploading. You can also restart the media storage process on Android. Sometimes your phone system is slow to index photos. Go to settings, apps, tap the three dots and select show system apps. Find the media storage or gallery and tap clear cache. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.